All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. It is a beautiful, beautiful day outside. It's supposed to rain this weekend. Hope it doesn't. Hope it's just some false weather we might get here in Houston. Went ahead and got some gas, and now it is time to get a little lunch. Gonna go hit up In-N-Out. The last time I had In-N-Out, it was pretty decent, but I don't know, it's kind of weird because sometimes it be hitting, sometimes it don't. We'll see if it hits today, y'all. I am seeing some clouds coming in, so we might actually be getting hit with some weather these next couple of days. Hopefully not. If you guys enjoy the POVs, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. Install the new carbon fiber steering wheel, and I think it looks amazing. I have the link to everything in the description too. Super affordable. I think it looks nice. It's so nice outside. It's crazy. 2 weeks ago, I was in 3 layers. It was like 30 degrees. Woo! Now it's 81. Partly sunny with some clouds. Probably about to get bodied by some rain. Ooh, got some burbles. Delete with the stock active exhaust. Probably the best exhaust setup you can do for this car in all reality. Legitimately, I think. I know Borla sounds good, but out the factory with like essentially a factory cat back with just cats removed and an H pipe, man, sounds good. Deep. No rasp whatsoever. Cannot go wrong, man. That H-pipe, telling y'all, on the Gen 4s, the H-pipe is the way to go. 110%. Oh, something almost went down right there. Truck just cut him off like crazy. That's why you never ride the left lane in the feeder. People be tweaking. You know we're getting around this truck. But it don't really matter. We're gonna get hit with the light again. We almost got hit with the light. Luckily we're not. Hopefully get a straightaway. Kinda wanna try out that no lift shift again. Part of me does, part of me doesn't. Oh, looks like we got something going on up here. Why is there something always going on, like, in this area?
A few moments later.
Okay, something actually went down. Whoa, what the? Hold on, y'all. One tow truck, two tow trucks. Yo, what the heck? So somebody probably ran off the road coming out. That's what I think. Damn, I hope everybody's good. They got road work up here. Right there. Y'all probably didn't hear it, but this exhaust is doing its thing. This is the beauty of an active exhaust right here, because just cut it off in the school zone, literally. That's exactly why I love the active exhaust. Don't you dare merge. quite a bit of traffic for this time, I'm not gonna lie. I know people act the fool all the time, but there's quite a bit of traffic. Driving behind that. Somebody's lights are getting flashed. What the heck's going on, bro? His high beams for what? And why are we at a complete stop? Oh hell no. This bitch crazy? Man, these Texas drivers are something else. She tried to do that little Texas cut, but completely messed it up.
In half a mile, turn right into the car park.
Bet. I had to go ahead and turn on the GPS for a second. I was like, hold on. All these turns sometimes confuse me. And it's low-key kind of tucked away. such a nice day. 80 out, sun's not blasting. Man, it sucks that we're gonna get hit with rain though.
Traffic lights. Turn right onto Lake
Alrighty.
Woodlands Drive. Then take the next right into the car park.
About to pull up. You know it's nice outside when the GoPro overheats. Huh. I haven't had that problem in months. Ooh, that Gen 3 looked good. It's clean too. Sound good. Not crazy loud. And here we go.
Turn right into the car park.
I bet you it's packed. Ooh! It is lunchtime too.
You've entered the car
Oh,
park to your destination.
We might be. I see 3 cars. Hey, we might be cooked. Oh shit! Don't tell me this is the drive-through. No way! This is the drive-through line. Oh my god, y'all! Hold up.
One eternity later.
So about 20 minutes later, finally got my food. Hell yeah. This SUV is kind of impatient. Go around me. Oh my god, what are you doing? Alright, I'm pulling in. I'm gonna just park my shit right here and eat. I ain't gonna lie, cause it'll be too late by the time I get home. All right, back at the casa. The neighbors going crazy on the grass right now. But if you guys enjoyed the POV drive, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. We should be getting the transmission back for the Shelby GT350 next week. I'll keep you guys up to date on everything. And as always, stay safe out there, y'all. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.